Hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In today's video, I want to share with you more about Cloudways features, especially three prominent features that you cannot find in other web hosting company. So I've been using Cloudways for a few years and I will recommend Cloudways 100%, especially if you want to launch your e-commerce store. Also, let me show you the first point. The first unique feature that Cloudways has is that when you have a server in Cloudways and you go to this vertical scaling, you can at any point of the time you can scale up your server. So for example, from 1 gig, I'm paying $14 per month. Over here, I can change it to 2 gig RAM. And I do this for a few purposes. For example, if I'm running an e-commerce store and I know that for the next few days I'm going to run a special promotion and I'm going to send this promotional email to a few thousand of my subscribers. So I'm going to upgrade my server accordingly. Maybe I've upgraded to 2 gig or even 4 gig RAM to get ready of the visitors search. And after the few days, then I can scale it back down to 1 gig. So for that few days that is running 4 gig server, I only need to pay like 8 cents per hour for that few days. So this is a very affordable way of scaling up the server to make sure that your website is very powerful to handle the surge in traffic, and this is not available in most of the shared web hosting plans. Okay, so that's the number one point. And the number 2 point is Cloudways provide a auto malware protection and clean up service. So for example, if your website is infected by malware and if you are using the normal shared hosting provider, for example, Bluehost or GoDaddy or other web hosting, they'll recommend you come to SiteLog and pay $199 to get your website cleaned up. But if you are using Cloudways and your website is infected by malware, you just need to come to this malware protection. And let's say this is the website that's infected, you just check and you just enable protection and it will using AI to clean up all the malware in your website. And the fee is only $4 per month. And it will continue to protect your website. So this is the very simple, straightforward way of helping you to protect from malware and also clean up malware for you. And I don't see this feature in other web hosting provider as well. Okay, and finally, why I like Cloudways is because it actually charge by per hour. So which means that anytime I can launch a new server, put up a new WordPress website for 1 day or 2 day, do some testing and then just shut it down. And I won't be paying $14 per month. I will only be paying based on the hourly rate, like 2 cents per hour. So this is very affordable if you are testing things, you want to test a lot of website, you want to test doing website development, cloning your client's website. So all these niches are very suitable to use Cloudways for your businesses. So I will link a video that how you can sign up, try it for 3 days. So I hope that you get a better understanding of Cloudways and these three unique hosting features. And if you have any questions regarding Cloudways, feel free to chat with me and I'll share with you what I know. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.